In front of me is INFINIX Note 30 VIP, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. You need to begin by opening Tools folder on your INFINIX to access Recorder app. Tap on it, choose Allow in all pop-ups, and then before recording, click on gear icon at the top right corner to pick perfect file format for you. Wherever you decided, when you're done, go back and use red button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To discard it, use this X on the left. To pause it or unpause it, use middle button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it on the right one. Then play it by tapping on it. After that, you can manage it from here by tapping on flag icon if you want to add tags while listening, managing those tags here, choosing share button to share it, or by going back and holding it, using all of those options like details, rename, or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!